I'm so angry. The Hello Kitty is closed. Final destination, New York, New York. Going inside. Hopefully there's lots of ways. There's a beer house. Beer house for Pookie. Coming in the side so it's not as extravagant as the usual entrances. We're in New York. We got karate class. Burger bar. Maybe later we'll be hungry for a big sandwich. Maybe. Another street. It's always nighttime in this New York. They should have painted stars on the ceiling. That would have been awesome. And here it is, the casino for New York, New York. Hopefully there's some good games here. I see Unlucky 13 Cat, one I never went at. There's Tarzan. Cookie loves Tarzan. Sounds like he might be winning. Let's go look. No, somebody else is winning, not him. That's the Unical. There it goes. Mine's dead last. How dare you be dead last? Go, buddy. Looks cute. Nine fine Irishmen. We found the chocolate bar. Oh, chocolate. Yummy. I think I'm gonna go with Death by Chocolate. So I ended up getting the Hershey Kisses. Oh, what's that?
What are you videoing? Oh, I think taking a picture.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay, cool. I have to drink my Planet Moolah woes away with this chocolate martini. I'm playing the Sea Monkeys game. It's expensive. So if I bet one, that's probably what, 5 cents? I only took 1 cent, I think. 5 cents. So that's probably what, 10 cents? I'll come back if anything interesting happens. My last 5 cents and then the Sea Monkeys have ripped me off. Ah, Sea Monkeys! You ripped me off! It's America restaurant. America! Oh yeah! We found the arcade. Pookie keeps trying to win this bear. I don't think it's gonna happen. The E-Claw is not cooperating. If you know anything about E-Claw, it has a payout amount, and it won't hold it strong enough to let it drop until it gets to the payout amount. So it depends on when the last payout was, how much you're going to pay to get this bear. Clearly, we haven't hit it yet.
This is it. This is my last play.
Last play. I think you're too far right. Go left.
I'm not going to try it. If you just grab the head, it's not going to.
Well, that's a good. But the E-claw dropped it. C'est la vie. It took many tries on an E-claw, which is the worst thing to play on. But we won our Deli from New York, New York. Yay! Probably more than that because I had a couple of dollars that I contributed to. I'm the one who won it. I won it. We are not hungry at all, but we're going to Greenberg Deli because we happen to be here and it's supposed to be really good. So here we go. We've got a massive menu to look through. We're getting the pastrami. We're gonna get one and share it. We are not really hungry, but we're gonna have this pastrami from Greenberg's Deli in New York, New York, because we hear it's really good. So we're gonna try it. Cookie, of course, got some beer. I've got some water. Yum yum. Is it good? Time for me. This will be fun. It's like Japan. It's very heavy in the front, gets thinner in the back. It's good. So I filmed in Hershey Chocolate World, but unfortunately, this is the only footage that survived. The tiniest donuts in the world. There's my hands, so you can tell how big they are. They're just tiny. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our Las Vegas videos. Please keep watching. Please like and subscribe. And is New York worth it? I say it is, but you tell me what you think down in the comments. Bye-bye.